This is Bison Gear's drop-down table, and it's such a useful table during camp or even everyday use. I mean, really, it's so easy. 1, 2, releases, and now you have a table to eat on, cook on, or really just put stuff on top of. Let me show you guys how we installed it.
Yesterday.
So first of all, I was supposed to fix this door card with JB Weld. So when I got it from the previous owner, there's this big crack. And I guess from using it, it just expanded it and made it larger over here. But fortunately, we were able to find another door card from the junkyard. So what we'll do is we'll replace it with this to install the drop-down table. So for now, let's take everything off of this one and transfer it to this and get it ready for install. So if you guys don't know how to take off your rear door card, you just need to take off the 2 OEM screws right here and over here. And you just need a pry tool to pry all around it, and it should come off already. And then make sure your rear window is open so that you could take this off. It kind of is hooked up top right over here. So this MOLLE panel that was actually mounted on our previous door card, I will be mounting it inside this Apache case. If you guys want to watch this video, I have a video coming up of how I'll mount this to the new roof rack. So stay tuned for that.
A few inches later.
So now that we're ready for installation, I want to show you guys what comes out of the box. So really, it's pretty straightforward, more than you think it is. So it's just the hardware, which is really 6 bolts, nuts, and washers. We have our install instructions and the actual table. So this is how it is closed or open, I would say. And this is the finish, which I like. It's metal, it's easier to clean. And then to open it, it's just 2 buttons right there. So that's how you deploy it basically. So this is how it is opened. Now let's close it back up. Another nice touch that I like is they have these protruding rubber pieces that I would assume prevent vibration and noise. So now it's closed. So what I really like about this drop-down table is, first of all, it is a MOLLE panel. So it does replace the MOLLE panel that we just had on our rear door. Second of all, it's very easy to deploy. And third, as I mentioned, it is very easy to clean. So let's get into installing. So the only downside that I can think of for this drop-down table is, let's say you have a drawer system for your FJ Cruiser. Usually it goes up to here, is the most common height for the drawer system for most FJ owners. And let's say you have bulky items mounted onto your MOLLE panel of the drop-down table. You might not be able to have the right amount of clearance to close your rear door. With that being said, I actually plan on doing that drawer system down the line in the future. So what I will do is I will ignore the top mounting point and I will only use 4 screws to hold the table. So I will be mounting it a little higher. If you have the rear door latch mod, I would recommend you putting it in already before mounting the table. So for installing, it's actually pretty easy. Like I said, I will be ignoring the top mounts. What I want to do is just mark where I want it to be, kind of like where this sits right now. Kind of exactly on that indent and not too high. I might lower it a little bit just so it's not too close to this. But basically, when you're happy with your placement, just mark it, drill your holes, and then put your bolts in. That's really it. This is actually perfect because at work, I usually eat in my car or around my car during lunch. So now this would be a game changer. Literally just pop them out and I'm ready to eat. Again, in summary, it's really more about the pros, not much about the cons. The con is really just clearance. In my opinion, it is a very important mod, or very useful mod that you could use even on a daily basis. Bison Gear has spoiled us so far and we're actually not done yet. So make sure you're subscribed as we have more parts coming in. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your rear door setup is. If you have a drop-down table as well from different companies or a DIY, share it down in the comments below. And let me know if you would be interested in this product. As always, keep innovating and stay hungry. Peace.